Okay, so there's a box within the box. As you can see, this one is plain white. I'm not sure if I should be concerned or what, but yeah. The big moment is here when I find out if I wasted my money or not. So this was very cheap, so I'm not expecting the drone to be like world class, right? This was under $1,000. This was actually, so yeah, just quickly unwrap this. So there's a manual on how to use it, I guess instructions on the app and so on and so on, and inside is the actual drone. Ooh, I wanna be super careful with this. Oh, that is very small. That is very small and light, and I'm guessing it's supposed to be light so it can properly fly. I think this is a battery, not entirely sure. Oh, this is the camera. It's the battery. I think it's the battery. Then there's the remote control, and then underneath I have some spare blades and the charging cable. So yeah, this is the drone. We'll be reviewing it soon as well, and I'll give you feedback and show you footage of the camera, if it's horrible, if it's good. And yeah, I guess we'll see later on. Use it. Peace. Okay, so this is the official review. This was in East London, right? I was there for a vacation, and I decided to bring my drone along. So this was me exercising and trying to fly it and figure it out at Gnobi Beach. Now, I will say I wasn't sure whether it's because of the wind, since I'm at the beach, which is beach plus ocean equals wind. So I thought maybe that's why it was being flimsy to fly around. Like I tried to make it go left, it would go right, or it would take time to start adjusting to coming left. But it was a mission and I have to get it to do what I want it to do. It cannot stay stable in one place to save a life. So it just keeps on moving. So it keeps on doing its own thing. You constantly fighting with the controller to try to get it to do what you need it to do. So I wasn't sure at the beach if it's because of the cheap price tag or if it was the wind from the ocean. So I finally did another test run at my house. Now here it's not windy, especially not today. It wasn't windy, and I took it outside and it went up, and just like at the beach, it started doing its own thing. But now, unfortunately, at the beach, when it did its own thing, I could run after it and get it and pick it up and try again. But this was a horrible idea because as soon as it went over the fence above the house behind my house, it was gone. So this was literally the last footage I have on my phone of the drone as it flew away. So yeah, it has this smart button that when you press, the drone is supposed to come back to you automatically or come back to the place where it left off. But that button was useless. I kept pressing it and the thing just kept flying away. And at some point I was like, oh well, guess that's my $700 gone. So yeah. So the conclusion is, should you buy a cheap drone from Takealot that costs 600 Rand? My answer is a big fuck no. As you can see, this is all I have left. Drone is officially gone, disappeared like a thief in the night, and $600 gone. So yeah, that's my recommendation. Peace.